Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a crypto COM card. First, download the crypto COM app from your app store and complete the necessary identity verification process. This usually involves providing a photo ID and a selfie. Once verified, you'll need to stake a certain amount of CRO tokens for at least 180 days. This staking unlocks different card tiers, each offering unique benefits and rewards. After verification, you can choose your desired card tier within the app. Each tier has specific CRO staking requirements, which directly correlate with the rewards you'll receive. When you stake your CRO, it's locked for 180 days, during which time you also earn interest on your staked amount. These benefits can range from increased cashback percentages to airport lounge access and rebates on popular streaming services. Once your CRO is staked and your card tier is selected, you can proceed to apply for the physical card directly through the crypto COM app. The application process is straightforward and integrated within the platform. After approval, you can easily fund your card using various methods, including fiat currency deposits or by converting your existing cryptocurrencies. This allows you to use your card for everyday purchases wherever Visa is accepted globally. The crypto COM card offers fantastic benefits, including up to 5% cashback on eligible purchases, depending on your chosen tier. You can also enjoy exclusive perks such as full rebates on popular streaming services like Spotify and Netflix, making it a rewarding way to spend. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. These cards provide a seamless way to integrate crypto into your daily spending, offering both convenience and valuable rewards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.